If you're over 40 and your hips feel tight and stiff, you've tried stretching, foam rolling, massage, these might help for a bit, but then the stiffness comes back. In this video, I'm giving you 3 movements that get your hips moving better. These are the same movements I use myself and with my students who thought hip stiffness is just part of getting older, which is not. So let's get into them. Movement 1. Seated hip rotation. Your hips are made to rotate, but if you've been sitting at a desk for 20, 30, 40 years, your hips have forgotten how to move. They're stuck in one position. This movement wakes your hips back up so you can move freely again. Sit on the floor, bend one knee in front of you, keep the other leg relaxed. From here, slowly rotate the bent leg in and out. Let the knee move side to side. You're teaching your hip to rotate in isolation. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Move slowly and gently. Never force the movement. You should feel this in your hip, not your knee. If you feel in your knee, back off a little and make the movement even smaller. Switch legs and repeat on the other side. This is where most people over 40 actually need to start. Small movements are enough. Your body just needs the daily reminder that rotation is possible. As your hips start to open up, you can progress to the 90-90 position. Both knees bent at 90 degrees. From there, you can rotate through to the other side like windshield wipers. Use your hands for support. Sit on a pillow to elevate your hips if you need to. Move through whatever range you have. Over time, as your hips open up, as the joints learn to rotate again, this will become smooth and natural. I want you to spend 5 minutes on this movement daily. Break it into 30-second sessions throughout your day. Do this for 30 days and watch how different your hips feel when you get out of your car or stand up from your desk. Now, here's the thing. The real challenge isn't doing these movements once. It's doing them every single day. That's what most people struggle with. Not the movement itself, but staying consistent and do it on your own. You never really know if your form is right. If that's you, I get it. Doing this alone is hard, and without accountability, most people quit after a week. That's why I built the Fab Mobility Club. Inside, you'll find other people like you who get what you're going through, me answering your questions directly, and weekly challenges to keep you moving forward. Right now, it's completely free. The link is right below. Now, let's get back to the moves. Movement 2. Standing hip rotation. This trains your hip rotation on your feet and builds balance for real activities. Stand tall, bend the knee so your thigh stays lifted. Now, keep the knee up and move your foot so it turns out and then it turns in. Let the hip rotate while you stay steady. Go slow and smooth and keep it controlled by your muscles. Keep repeating the in and out rotation in a comfortable range. You're teaching your hip to move independently while your body stays stable. This is functional mobility. If lifting the knee high is hard for you, do the same hip rotation with the knee lower. You are still getting the benefit. Keep the movement small, steady and controlled. Range doesn't matter. Controls matters. And if standing is too difficult, sit on a chair, lift one knee up a little, turn the leg in and out the same way. Keep it gentle and repeat the motion smoothly. You're still training the same hip rotation pattern. Start where you are, not where you think you should be. Spend 4 minutes total on this movement, 2 minutes per side. And if you can only do 10 seconds per side, that's absolutely fine. Rest and repeat. Movement 3. Functional squat. You can stretch your hips all day, but if you don't make them strong, the stiffness comes back. This trains your hips to stay open under pressure. It builds strength in your entire body, so you can enjoy the activities that you love. Start feet wider than shoulder width. Sink down into a squat and hold. Feel your hips opening, your inner thighs working, your glutes activating. Hold this for as long as you can, even if it's just for 5 seconds at first. From here, come up slightly and shift into a deep squat, feet closer together. This is your natural resting position. Every child can do this, but most adults lose it before 30. Deep squatting opens your hips fully, stretches your lower back, and decompresses your spine. Work up to 5 minutes total on this complex. Alternate between horse stance and deep squat. This is supposed to be a resting position, not an exercise. Your ancestors did this all the time, all day, every day. Let gravity teach your body what it forgot. These movements aren't optional. If you want your hips to work properly after 40, when you restore hip mobility, your entire body starts moving better. Imagine doing this every single day with guidance, support, and accountability. Not guessing, not starting and stopping, but staying consistent. That's what the Fab Mobility Club is all about. Inside, you get weekly challenges, a community moving through this together, and me answering your questions whenever you get stuck. Right now, it's completely free. The link is below. Thanks for watching, stay moving, and take care.